Hi everyone, welcome to the Dollar Tree. So here we are. Let's see what they have in Christmas. So here we have some baskets. Okay. And then here we have some picks. Little Christmas picks. Aren't they adorable? Okay, so they have some of those. And then we have some of these mason jar. They remind me of mason jar ornaments, including the round ones that you can use for crafting. Then over here we have the craft jars, and the lids come in colors, so that's gold, green, red, all the way to the top. And the same thing with the bells. They come in all these colors. And then the kids can craft these little tote bags. Aren't they adorable? So I think they only have, oh no, look, they have the truck. Okay, I love the truck. How adorable. All right, and here's the stocking, so they can color in their own stocking. And it even comes with the little markers. Let's see what else they have. So they did bring out the little mini Christmas trees. I only see them in the green. And what's really cute is these little mini tree skirts, 18-inch. They come in the buffalo check. Oh, look, they did bring the white ones. Okay, so these are the white trees. So they brought out the green and the white trees. They're very tiny and very sparse. Okay, and then they have this little mini garland, but I only see it in red. Then they have the gold mini bulbs, the silver ones, the red, okay, silver. And then these are the toppers for the trees. Then here they have the little ornament decorations, snowflake, and here is the tree skirt in the buffalo check. Then they have this kind here, and then they have some mini lights up there. Okay, so this is the Dollar Tree by my home. And it looks like they're just starting to stock up now. So you have a lot of poinsettias. I love these white ones. A lot of glitter, a lot of berries, and then they still have a little bit of summer stuff mixed in there. So down here we have some of the picks. Look at this one. This one has the frost on it. I love that. Okay, and then here's some poinsettias. Then they have these silver picks right here. And then they have these kind of picks. These are really nice to make arrangements. Then they have the little craft jars here along the bottom. And I told you they have like these the succulent picks everywhere now. It's like they had them hiding. Okay, so then we have these LED little Christmas lights, or frosted ones, and these must be left over from summer because those are summer colors. So let's go down to the end and see what we have. Okay, I think Christmas starts over here. All right, so they brought, those are my favorite ornaments. Here's the red, the gold, and those are the silver. I love them. They look like mirrors. Then you have the buffalo check balls, and look at this one. I think this one is new. And then they have this poinsettia, and that's a clip. That's an absolutely beautiful clip in 2 different shades. Okay, and then they have the individual Christmas balls. This is what that looks like up close. Then they have the individual Christmas balls here, and the red, the gold, and here's the silver. They also have the tube. Okay, the ornaments in the tube. Yeah, I think this little guy here is new. And look at this face. So these are new. Okay, they have those all the way to the top. Then you have the birds. You have the little white birds over here too, decorative birds. And then this is a different color ornament, and here and also the tops are different. I don't know if you can tell. Okay, you have that to the top. Then you have the little Christmas gifts, gift boxes. And now these bells come in a 9-piece. Okay, and those go all the way to the top in multicolor, and then those are the ornaments. So there they are in red, and here they are in the gold. Okay, then they have the big, they have a 3-piece of the big snowflake, and this must be the medium one. This is 6-piece, and then the little ones come in a 10-pack. And then I can't reach all the way up there, but these poinsettias right here, that's what they are. That's new. Okay, look how beautiful they are. That's beautiful. And then I like this color too. So then these ornaments, they come back every year. This is so pretty, this color. And then this one is the gold. They are just so beautiful. They look so expensive. Then they have these. These came back from last year. And here they are in silver. And then on the bottom here, you have the ornaments. They're 5-piece. So you have them in that red. You have them in that gold. And these remind me of candy canes. They're so cute. Okay, and then you have here the reindeer. Aren't they adorable? So you have this color. It's an antique color and a very bright gold all the way to the top. Then you have the snowflake. Very beautiful. And then you have, oh look, they brought back the little, these kind of ornaments, the musical notes. And then they always have these. So you can decorate your own ball. And those are the frosted lights. I think this one is new. I don't think I remember this. Isn't she beautiful? I think she's gorgeous. I think that is new. And yeah, it's only one. Absolutely beautiful. So they always bring in something new. Then here's a treetop. And then here's some more musical instruments. They have a musical notes and then the musical instrument in the back. And there's a trumpet back there. I don't know if you could see it. Okay, and here's some more. Very beautiful. Okay, so we have the ornaments in the double pack. Okay, we already know that came back. Here's some ribbon. Okay, here's the one with the snowflake. That one says believe. That one says joy. This one says Merry Christmas. I like these. And these are the ones with the Christmas gift. Okay, and then these over here look like they have green and red pom-poms. These are the initial, the monogram ones. And then this stuff is the snow that goes inside of the bulbs. Then they have some of this ribbon here. Here's some more Christmas tree. And then they have this color deco mesh. Seems like that's the only color they have. Then they have some more ribbons, some more of those bulbs. This is a different shape. Okay. Then they have the wooden stickers. But I wanted to show you this. This ornament filler is new this year because it comes in a 3-pack and all 3 are different colors and different shapes. Isn't that nice? And then this is an ornament filler too. Okay, and then they have the chenille stems. Somebody stuck this bag here. Okay. Then they have the chenille stems, and then they have the these. I like these. They have the pom-poms and the Christmas colors and the mini bows. And then they have these little mini craft sets. So here's the gift. Here is the candy cane. And, okay. Oh, look, they have the signs. Okay. So here's the peace sign. And here's the Mary sign. I don't know. Are those the only ones that came out? So here you have like a felt ornament kit and the gingerbread. Okay. And these are the ceramic ornaments that the kids can color in. Then they have the ornament felt in the Christmas tree and this kind and then this kind and the snowflake and the white and then that blue. And here's the snowman. Here's the little gingerbread foam, and this must be a craft to color. Some more of that ceramics and the stocking decorations. How pretty. So now guys, this is my favorite I have to show you. Let me move this over. Aren't these absolutely beautiful? If you can find these, grab a bunch because these are going to go quickly. These are laying down over here where people can't see them. Oh, look at this. Now this I didn't see before. This is the sparkle mesh. Okay, and then they have the regular and then the red deco mesh. This is so pretty. My favorite is the gold one. Okay, so getting back on track. Here's Santa, and here's the snowman, and then the Santa face over there on the end. All right, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.